guys, Dakota here, and welcome back to the Motos with Dak channel. So today's video, new top speed of the Ninja ZX-4RR after doing the two-wheel Dynaworks tune, which added about 20 wheel horsepower to it. So we're gonna go see what the new top speed is now that it's got 20 more wheel horsepower, and now that when I go 100% full throttle, it will actually stay at 100% full throttle as opposed to slowly decreasing it as I climb in the RPM range, which is what it did stock. So yeah, we're gonna go see what it is. We're gonna hop on the bike, get it started, and go for a little rip. Also, if you guys think it'd be a cool idea to race the R8 versus the ZX-4RR, let me know. I think it'd be kind of fun. So leave a comment down below if you guys want to see that. Anyways, let's hop on the bike. Alright, so naturally, first things first is we gotta get gas, because when do I not in this thing? Alright, so like I said, guys, we're gonna do a little top speed run. We're gonna head out to our, head out to Mexico, a little closed course, and just see what it does. Now, this bike's stock. When I was riding it, would really struggle to get to like 130. Ooh, look, a ZL110E. That's dope. Anyways, it would like 130 is like really all it had to give. When you don't have to take my word for it. Revzilla did a top speed test on their stock ZX-4RR, and that's basically what they got, like 130 or like 131, something like that. So we're gonna see just kind of what this bike can do now. Now, I'm not promising that I'm going to be breaking any like speed records or anything like that, but because obviously it kind of depends on the course that I'm at. But we're just going to see. Theoretically, it should be able to get past that 130 mark significantly easier. So I'll catch up with you guys once we actually get to that. Guys, well, now that we are headed back from our little spot, the bike managed to do 140. Could it have done more? Probably. It probably could have eked out another 5-10 miles an hour. Although it's definitely got to be very flat or a little bit of downhill, because as soon as it starts to gradually go uphill, you can see the bike kind of taper off a little bit. The difference is it gets up to that speed a whole lot quicker than it used to get up to, like, say 130, 125 or so. Alright guys, so we are back in the garage. As you guys can see, I have changed because we were riding in like 100-degree weather. So as soon as I got home, I took a shower and changed because it was super hot and I was disgusting. So real quick, I kind of wanted to, after kind of looking back at that video, I wanted to kind of go over a couple things. One, paying attention, if you guys were looking at the tack, at 140, there was still some room left before you hit red line. So with the stock gearing and everything, I think this thing will do about 145, 150. But where I was at, it was kind of like you went up, then you went down, you went up, then you went down. So it wasn't the most ideal place, but it does now get to its old top speed a whole lot faster than it used to. Before, I mean, you just have to be in the throttle forever in 5th gear, just trying to get it up to that 130 mark. Whereas now it can easily do it once you click it up into 6. Again, as long as it's a flat area, you can get up to 140, maybe a little bit faster. Again, just to reiterate, I have the two-wheel Dynaworks tune, and the bike is bone stock. No air filter change, no gearing changes, no exhaust changes. If you were to add, say, a exhaust and you did the tune with a full exhaust system, or even honestly just a slip-on, take off a little bit of extra weight, gain a tiny bit of extra power,
maybe you'd have a little bit different experience. We will do a round 2. It's just not today. It was way too hot, and also, you know, the course was a little clogged up. So, anyways, again, main takeaway for me is now it definitely goes faster, and you can see there's a bit more room for a bit more potential there. But it gets up to its previous top speed so much faster. So again, you guys can decide whether that was bad, good, indifferent. Who cares? You know, I just wanted to show you guys. For me, that's not something that I constantly do, so it's not a huge deal if it doesn't do 180 miles an hour. But at the end of the day, guys, it is only a 400cc motorcycle. So like, it was never going to do 180, 190. You know, like there's other bikes for that. But this gives you now plenty more passing power on the highway. You don't have to worry about, you know, getting on it and having people be able to blow past you. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.